Hi Charles, SST Dark here, and today we're gonna do some unboxing of the DJI stuff. So let's bring this package in. So this is our star Dji Mavic Pro. This is the first generation. Now you have the second one, but this is my first gen. So this is used drone, and let's open the box and see the star in. So I'm very excited. So this is a professional drone, you know, like Dji Mavic Pro. So let's open it like this. So you here have handle, push it in and open. And here is our star. So you have the drone, the controller, and here you have charging icon. So I guess this is, yes, cables in. Okay, so let's take all out. So here we have the drone, here we have the controller. It is used, but as you can see, it has the screen guard on. So what we have here, so here we have two propellers. So you don't have four, but you have two. Okay, so that's here. We're gonna take this out. Here we have the charger. Okay, let's. So here we have the DJI charger. So this is for the charging the battery, and here you have USB port to charge the controller. So this is Euro cable for the charger. It goes in like this, and now it's ready to charge the batteries. So here we have micro USB for charging the controller. So to charge the controller, you simply take this out, put this in, but just be very careful when you go in so that you don't damage the charging port. And now you simply connect it to USB port, and that's it, and it will be charging. So to see if the controller is it has power, you just simply push the button one time. So you can see the battery is at 90%. So if you push it once and the second time you push it a little longer, then it will turn on like this. So now you can see it's connecting, but it's just connecting. So to shut it off, you press it one time, and then the second you hold it like this. And when you hear the beep, then it means that it's off. Here you have the antennas, and here you have the phone holder, so you can readjust this like you want. So this is USB Type-C for my Samsung device. So you simply connect it here. Just be very careful, and now you're ready to connect the mobile device. So in the package you have, so this is micro USB. It's not even opened. it is sealed. And here you have, so this is lightning USB for iPhone. I don't have iPhone, so we don't need this. So that's all. So this is the drone. Sorry, as you can see, it is like new. It is little used. The battery has 23-4 cycles of charge. So to unfold the drone, you simply take first the first legs, then the second ones, like this, and that's it. The drone is ready to fly. So here you have the battery. So you can see at this date I bought the drone, so this battery got 20 charging cycles. So brand new. To check the status of the battery, you simply push it one time and you see that this is maybe 20-25% of power. So if you press it, so first short, then the second long, it will turn on. So like this, now the battery is turned on, and to shut it off, you simply push it one time, and the second you hold it like this, you see the lights go from top to bottom. So this is it. To check the status of the battery, the health, you press the button for like 6-7 seconds, and then you will see how much life the battery has. So let me check it. So you press it, and now you can see that this is 100% health of the battery. So this is little used. So like I said, when you put it in, simply click it on. But wait, don't forget to take off the propeller guards. So this is the gimbal protector, and this is the gimbal. So when you transport it, or before you turn it on, you have to take this out. You can put this back in, but then you will see the glare. So to turn it on, simply press it one time, the second you hold it. Now you hear that song, you push the controller 2 times, so one short, second and now you can see that they are sync. So that's all. We're not gonna try to take off because we are in. So shut down. So first time short, second long time, and then it turns off. So now we're gonna do some testing, but before that I'm gonna show you, I bought 2 more batteries. They are old used batteries. So this is like 60% of power, and this is fully charged. So let's see, this got 200 cycles of charge time. So let's see the health. You press it, hold it, and now you can see that this battery, it only got like 50% of health. So I'm gonna check this to see how long does it go. and this is my second one. So this got 100 cycles, you can see 100 cycles, but you can see that this battery, it has a little pop. So I don't know if this battery is good. I don't know if you can see it. You can see flat, and this one is popped. So let's see the battery health. And it's showing 80%. So thanks for watching. Wait for my next video, and I'll be back. If you like it, put a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos of me try to fly this thing, subscribe. Thanks for watching, like I said, and see you. Bye.